Good morning, Starbucks and Shorty. We got a hell of a story. That's Fox 45, WJZ, the FBI, the Department of Justice. I was making a documentary about Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, the Attorney General, and Scott Shellenberger, the money you make off of black bodies, the new faces of old Jim Crow. All right. Y'all want us to be mad at Donald Trump? Well, in the Democratic Party, it's Scott Shellenberger. We talking about race and racism. I'm an independent filmmaker. I'm a documentaire. I own Shorties. I own all parts of me. All right. And I need a federal and a state audit. I need the Department of Justice to do a RICO Act on Jake Davis, James Hammond, Brother Insurance, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank. All right. And this is how we're going to do it. That's Brooke Lierman. I know what you did last summer. I've been filming y'all since 2008. All right. I've been filming the Democratic Party since 2008. That's Tony from the Corinthians. In 2007, I went home on vacation and came back on probation. That's the Interstate Compact. Notice of departure. On February the 2nd, 2011, I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger, Greg Bernstein, and the money y'all's making off of black bodies. That's Greg Bernstein, 2011. All right? I put it in a book. I'm weaving in Baltimore, and I'm showing you the new face of old Jim Crow. You feel me? So Brooke Lierman, I need an audit because the state participated in fraud. That's not my signature. That's not my signature. That's not my signature. That's James Hammond, and that's not my signature. On February 8th, 2008, James Hammond released me from my lease, and he wrote an illegal lease to Jake Davis, so he shouldn't have been taking money out of my account. That's theft, income tax evasion, and fraud. Income tax evasion because no taxes was paid in the fourth quarter. The whole quarter of 2008, no taxes was paid. No taxes was paid. So Brooke Lierman, I need an audit. Documentaries about you and how you protected the white supremacy in the Democratic Party. You feel me? It's about the Democratic Party. Mayor Pugh's my witness. Yeah. Senator Cardin has a whole complete workup on everything I did. If you go to Senator Cardin's today, he got a writ of mandamus, and that writ of mandamus has Governor O'Malley's name all over it. That writ of mandamus is in Senator Ben Cardin's office. Senator Ben Cardin's been knowing about this since 2007 to 2023. We showing the new faces of old Jim Crow and white supremacy. Ryan Dorsey been knowing me since he was a little boy, but he ain't opened his mouth. Baltimore City Council, the Baltimore County Council, and the Democratic Party is protecting this prison industry and the money you make off of it. Yeah, y'all kidnapped me from my family. Y'all stole me from my family, and that's against the law. I'm a free black man. You feel me? And I'm an artist in Baltimore. So Scott Shellenberger, you gotta own up to this. You gotta own up to this. Y'all want us mad at President Trump? Well, we're gonna get mad at Scott Shellenberger. And if Trump can go to court, so can I. And we're gonna take you to court. I'm gonna get my files from the FBI, my FBI files. And we're gonna get everything that Governor O'Malley and Anthony Brown got. We're gonna get this. All right? We're gonna get that from the Department of Justice. Rob Fix, Letters Design. I was making a movie. Ain't no Loggins making a movie. That's my Community Verizon Award. And this is the new face of old Jim Crow, Scott Shellenberger, white supremacy. All right? Like I said, I color-coded it. I put it in a book. I named your judges, your lawyers, and your politicians. All right? And I gave it to the government, the Senate Judiciary Committee. All right? Senator Cardin's got this. Senator Cardin's got that. You feel me? Marilyn Mosby had that. And it's all about Scott Shellenberger. Baltimore, Rewired, the money behind the machine. The money behind the machine. So let's do what needs to be done. All right? Let's do what needs to be done. That's Governor Schaefer and Shorty. All right? And that's Boehner Woods and Shorty. If Boehner Woods can go, I got a monster. Well, you can't stop me from making Baltimore Rewired. That's Tim Fuentes from the Baltimore Sun, and that's David Robinson. I'm weaving in Baltimore. I'm a weaver, and it's dedicated to Corrine and Joseph Davis. Like I said, I'm a weaver in Baltimore, weaving the social fabric. And I got my hat in the game. Weavers. Baltimore Rewired, the money behind the machine. Book, movie, and a lawsuit. I'm out $250 million. Intellectual property theft. Covered under the Constitution. You feel me? Covered under the Constitution. So Brooke Lierman, I need that audit. Starbucks and Shorties. Got a hell of a story. All about Baltimore. The money behind the machine. Governor O'Malley's mind machine. Governor Westmore, you got my paperwork. I need an answer. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? 2023, we're going to find out.